Zhuheng Yijia, built for storms. In this rain test, 7+ days of rain, 0 leakages. Past tests focused on the outside tape. But what if exterior waterproofing fails? Or no outside tape is installed? Rain seeps into window and wall joints. Can the inside tape still block water? Let's find out. You have seen this test rig before. No outside tape this time. Window, joints, wall fully exposed. Only the inside vapor barrier is in place. Turn on the water. Water hits the tape above the window. Heavy rain volume. Water pools at the sill and corners. Now check the inside. Window tape wall completely dry. 0 infiltration. Day 4 of the test. Over 24 hours of water exposure. Still no leakage. Is an inside vapor barrier necessary? Yes. Does it waterproof? Yes, it does. When exterior waterproofing fails, or outside tape cannot be installed. In these cases, NF30 still delivers reliable water resistance. Questions or suggestions? Leave a comment below.